Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Zencar EV Charger Management app step by step clearly. To download the Zencar EV Charger Management app, start by unlocking your mobile device. Locate the App Store on your device. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. If you are using an iOS device, open the Apple App Store. In the App Store's search bar, type Zencar EV Charger Management app. Press the search button to initiate the search. Once the search results appear, look for the Zencar app in the list. Check the app's logo to ensure you have found the correct app. Tap on the app icon to view more details. You will be directed to the app's information page. Review the description, ratings, and user reviews if you wish. To start the download, look for the Install button. On iOS devices, this button may say Get instead. Tap the Install or Get button to begin downloading the app. If prompted, enter your account password or use your fingerprint for verification. The download process will begin, and you can see a progress indicator. Once the download is complete, the app icon will appear on your home screen. You can now tap on the app icon to open the Zencar EV Charger Management app. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account or log in. Now, you are ready to manage your EV charging conveniently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.